So today I'm talking about how to use the CapCut Pro features that everyone is looking for 100% free. So the method I'm talking about today is not an illegal method, it is completely done by a legal method. So without further ado, let's get to today's topic. First, open your web browser and type CapCut older version. Now click on this first link. I have mentioned this link in the description below. Now click on this older version button. Now you can see all the versions in CapCut. Now scroll down. Now click on this See More button. Now you click on this version called 1.4. The version that comes after this version is the one that started to be Pro. What we are doing is downloading the version that was there before the Pro features were introduced. Scroll down the page that appears. Now click the Download Now button. Now select a location of your choice and download it. Now go to that location and install it, especially if you have CapCut installed on your PC, uninstall it. Also, the edited project cannot be edited with this version, because this is an old version. You can install this and continue with a new project. Remember that. Now double-click this. Put this tick. Now install now. Now click the Start Now button. Now click the Confirm button. Now you are asked if you want to install the new version of CapCut. You can cancel this. Now I will show you the project I made with the new version of CapCut. I will open one. Because this is an old version, it cannot be run in this. I will close this. Now I select Start Creating. I will select 2 images as an example. If we go to transitions, we can use them like any transition. If you go to effects, you can check the effects. We can use all the animations in animation. We can check the tracking features in tracking. And we can check the other features in CapCut. Please tell me if this method is good or not. So if the video is good, like and share it. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Then you can watch it as soon as we upload a video.